Now, to help with some vocabulary, when we're looking at polynomials, well, in general, but what we're looking at in several variables here, it's good to understand what a term, a coefficient, and a degree are. Now, typically, polynomials can come in multiple variables, but for here, we're just going to deal with two variables. So what are my terms? Well, I have a term. The first one is a 7x squared y cubed. The next term is a negative 17 x to the fourth y squared. I have an x to the y, or xy, a minus 6y squared, and a 9. All of those are the terms of this particular polynomial expression. The next component that we're looking at is what are the coefficients. Coefficients are the numbers in front of the terms. Well, yeah, they'll leave that. So we have a coefficient. This first one is a 7, negative 17. What do I do with this xy right here? Well, remember, it's an understood 1. Negative 6. And this constant itself is just a coefficient. Then we look at the degree. What's the degree of the term? Well, here we need to combine the degrees of both of these terms. So I really have an x squared times a y to the third. So the combined degrees will be 2 plus a 3. Just like we would multiply bases, same type of an idea to determine what the degree is. So the degree here is a 2 plus a 3, which equals a 5. In the second term, the degree is a 6. X times y, each of these are understood 1, so this is a second degree term. Y squared is by itself, so that's a second degree term. And this one is, there is no variable, so there is no degree to this particular one, so this is a 0 degree term. So I want you to become comfortable when you're looking at any type of a polynomial, including with several variables, how to identify what the terms are, the coefficients are, and the degree of the terms as well. Now, also, I think you've noticed that all these terms are unlike terms. And that's important to identify that these are unlike terms as well.